Most people believe that once a luxury SUV goes out of warranty, it instantly turns into a money pit, a ticking time bomb that'll drain your savings with endless repair bills. And that fear is exactly why so many buyers walk away from owning their dream car. But here's the truth no one really tells you. Not all luxury SUVs are built the same. Some are engineered with such precision, such durability, that even after the warranty ends, they keep driving strong, outlasting trends, defying expectations, and proving that reliability and luxury can actually coexist. Now, think about this for a second. If you choose wrong, you'll end up stuck with a status symbol that looks good in your driveway but bleeds your wallet dry at the mechanic's shop. But if you choose right, you're not just buying an SUV. You're buying peace of mind, prestige, and long-term confidence. You'll own a vehicle that doesn't just shine when it's new, but continues to dominate the roads for years, even decades. This video isn't about hyping up fancy features or flashy badges. It's about exposing which luxury SUVs actually earn the title of reliable, the ones that survive beyond warranty without becoming a financial nightmare. Because the real luxury isn't just leather seats or advanced tech, it's knowing your car won't betray you when the warranty clock runs out. So buckle up, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down the 7 most reliable luxury SUVs truly worth owning after the warranty is long gone. And once you see this list, you'll realize reliability is the most underrated luxury of all. 1. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is the ultimate proof that reliability and luxury can coexist. Built on Toyota's legendary foundation, it shrugs off expensive failures that plague German rivals. After warranty, while others pay thousands for repairs, RX owners simply enjoy smooth, stress-free driving. This SUV isn't flashy, it's smart, and it saves you money while keeping you in pure comfort. 2. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is the definition of underrated power. People chase European badges, but the MDX quietly outlasts them all. With Honda's engineering, its engines and transmissions sail past 200,000 miles. After warranty, repairs are rare and affordable, something BMW and Audi owners can only dream about. Owning an MDX is like cheating the luxury system. 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser isn't just a car, it's an unkillable legend. Built for deserts, mountains, and war zones, city driving is child's play for it. Owners routinely hit 300,000 miles and beyond without major issues. After warranty, it doesn't become a liability, it becomes a lifelong companion. Driving one is like owning a luxury tank that never quits. 4. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX combines old-school toughness with refined luxury. Body-on-frame design, a dependable V8, and Lexus build quality mean it laughs in the face of breakdowns. After warranty, it keeps running strong while still wrapping you in comfort and class. It's one of the rare SUVs where reliability is the luxury. 5. Infiniti QX80. The Infiniti QX80 is a massive beast that hides an important secret. It's actually simple underneath. Powered by Nissan's proven V8 and backed by rugged components, it avoids the complex failures of over-engineered rivals. After warranty, it's not a money trap. It's a powerhouse that delivers size, strength, and surprising dependability. 6. Volvo XC90 post-2016 models. Volvo's XC90 proves that safety and reliability can come wrapped in Scandinavian elegance. The newer models, especially after 2016, solved old issues and became rock solid. After warranty, owners enjoy fewer major breakdowns compared to German SUVs, while still having world-class safety tech. It's luxury you can actually trust long-term. 7. Porsche Cayenne, well-maintained models. Yes, a Porsche made this list, but only because the Cayenne, when properly maintained, is shockingly durable. Its engines are robust, parts are more reliable than people think, and depreciation makes it affordable to own post-warranty. Treat it right, and you get Porsche performance, luxury, and reliability long after the warranty is gone. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people buy a luxury SUV thinking the warranty is their safety net, but when that net disappears, they realize they've been driving a ticking time bomb. That's why the SUVs I just revealed stand above the rest. They don't turn into a burden after warranty. They turn into a blessing. They give you the one thing money can't usually buy: peace of mind. But now I want to flip this back to you, because I know some of you watching have been burned before. Maybe your dream SUV became a financial nightmare. Maybe you've had an engine light haunt you more than your ex. Or maybe you discovered that luxury often means luxury repair bills. On the other hand, some of you probably own one of these bulletproof SUVs and swear by it even after 10 years. So tell me in the comments, what's the most reliable luxury SUV you've ever owned? And what's the biggest disaster you regret buying? Be honest, because your story might save someone else from wasting thousands of dollars. And remember this, luxury isn't about leather seats or fancy tech. It's about confidence that your car won't betray you when the warranty clock runs out.